Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be unboxing some fidget toys. So I got a whole bag last night full of fidget toys from Kmart. And yeah, so I'm so excited. I also got something for Peppa and Jack. If you don't know who Jack is, that's my boyfriend. And so I got something for my boyfriend, and I got also something from my best friend that goes to my school, Peppa. So today we'll be unboxing my things first, and then I'll show you my friends' things, but I can't unbox them. Okay? So today we'll be doing this. So today this is like a unicorn, and you can like squish it and bubbles come out, so you can do like this. It's so freaking cool. That's my first thing of fidgets. And then I got this car fidget. So cool, like a little pop-it fidget and stuff. It's really cool and stuff. That's my second thing. And then I got my jumbo fidget, my little jumbo pop fidget. So it's really cool. I love this jumbo pop fidget. And yeah. So let's get on with the next thing. Then the next thing is my stretchy poo. I bought a stretchy poo. Super cool. Stretchy poo. It absolutely smells disgusting, but we'll get over it. And then the next thing that I got is my fluffy slime. This is the fluffy slime I got. So it's like a pink fluffy slime. And it's like slimy, super fluffy, the fluffiest ever. I've always wanted to make fluffy slime. Super cool. There's yellow is marshmallow, green is green apple, pink is bubblegum, and mango is orange. So I got pink and I got bubblegum. Yes. Yellow is marshmallow. So this smells like bubblegum. So if you smell it, it just smells like bubblegum. So that's my slime that I'll be opening with you guys in a minute. And this is my Neato ball. This is my squishy Neato ball. Now I should be getting on to you with my friends' things. Let's go. So this is Peppa's. This is my best friend Peppa from school. So this is Peppa's. I'll be giving it to her. Don't know when. Sorry guys, that was just my mom. She wanted something, but I was doing a YouTube video. Okay, and then this is Jack's. This is my boyfriend's. So this is my boyfriend's thing. This is my boyfriend's Neato. It's a rainbow Neato. And yes, so those are all my things. So those are all my things. And now let's get to the opening part. So today we'll be opening my Neato ball. If I can. Yes, I can. Basically what is here from here. Alright, so guys, this is my Neato ball. This is cool. It's hard to get out. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this Neato ball. So this is like the Neato ball. It's very sticky, but it's very cool. I got the glittery one. Look at it. Look at the glittery one. And guys, make sure it doesn't pop because my friend's one popped. If you have long nails, make sure, because when you use long nails, they make a big mark into them. I've got 3. Oh, it smells so good. Kind of smells disgusting, but Yeah, so make sure you don't pop it. If you have long nails, they dig in and then they rip a hole in it and then it'll pop. So I only use this hand. Now I only use this hand without long nails, but this hand does have long nails, so I can't use this hand. I only can use this hand. Okay, so that is my fidget, my Nido ball. Next we'll be opening my fluffy slime. Okay, I think Jack said that I could open his too, but I've got to quickly make sure if I can open his so he doesn't get angry at me. So I'll go ahead and text him. See ya. Okay guys, I'm back from texting my boyfriend. He said that I could open it. So we're gonna open Jack's Nido ball. So if I can find the tag. Fuck it. That slipped out. That definitely slipped out. Okay, I'll get that one after. So basically we're going to be opening my fluffy slime, if I can. So I'll be back. I'm just going to get my mum to open my fluffy slime. I'm back. I'm really sorry about that. I just had a problem. My mom wanted. I'm getting another. So sorry about that. I don't need to tell you it's private, but sorry about that. So we got the fluffy slime, but we needed the scissors to open the fluffy slime. So guys, this is the slime. Comes in like a little packet. Oh my gosh, guys. This is disgusting. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, guys, look at this. It's like pink. It smells so disgusting. Ew. Okay guys, so we're gonna try to open this with the scissors. I think I can. And it smells disgusting, if you didn't know. It smells disgusting. Let's get it open. Oh my god, I'm so freaking scared. Oh shit. Guys, I'm actually opening it. Okay. I think that's enough. Nope, we need to open it more. Get it. Oh, I cut my slime. Ew. Oh my god, this is disgusting. I hate slime. I've always hated slime, but I want to try the fluffy slime. Oh, ew. Smells like bubblegum. Shit, I got something on my bed. Oh, it smells good, but I don't like slime. Ew, this is disgusting. Guys, stay tuned. Come out, you fluffy slime. Okay, so we're trying to get this out. And unfortunately, ew, it's going to come out. I don't need help with Mum. Like, ew, it's disgusting. I need help. I need help. Yes, it smells good, but it's disgusting. I'm sorry guys, I'll be back. It smells like bubblegum. I got slime on my bed. Alright, so I'm back. I just gotta get the scissors. Guys, you don't want to smell this. This is absolutely disgusting. It does not smell like bubblegum. It smells like disgusting slime. So here it is. We'll get to that later. I've always hated slime, if you didn't know. I'm always a hate of slime person. I've never ever in my whole entire life liked slime. So yeah. So we'll get that later. Oh shit. Later, tomato. Okay, so that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give that a big thumbs up. And yeah, so today I'm going to be doing, I don't know, but I think I'm going to be starting my giveaways to my YouTube fans. I only have 6 subscribers, so I need more subscribers, people. But yeah, so my YouTube account is just going to be all about fidget toys. So I hope just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is so cool. I love this Nido ball. So yeah. Look, it's so glittery. Oh my gosh, it's so glittery. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. As I said, I'm going to be giving my YouTube fans some giveaways. I think I will be able to start my giveaways from now on. I don't know yet. Hopefully I can start my giveaways on my YouTube channel. So my giveaways will probably be an iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm kidding, not my phone. I'll be probably giving some fidget toys away or something like that. I'll be giving some stuff away. So if you wanna buy something from my giveaways, make sure you go subscribe. All you gotta do, subscribe to my YouTube channel, give it a big thumbs up, and go to my Instagram and comment why would you like this giveaway. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.